Okay guys, this is going to be a review on my Zippo lighter. I'm going to move my Yu-Gi-Oh cards out of the way. Yes, I just did that review. Okay, this is going to be on the Zippo lighter, Beatles edition. Cutlery lover knows Zippos better than I do, but pretty cool stuff. It actually it could light something on fire. Like, I'm not even kidding, I'll just take a piece of junk and just, I'm just taking this and just gonna see how this works. Actually, I'm not really sure I could light paper on fire. No, I don't think so. But anyways, the lighter, it's just one of those regular ones. So this is just the Beatles edition. Yes, that's the forecasting again. I'm sorry about that. I wish I could stop it, but I can't. I really have no idea how to review a lighter, actually, but this burns very well. It uses just Zippo fuel. I'll go get that right now. Wait a second. Okay, here's the Zippo premium fuel, lighter fuel fluid. It's clean burning, fast ignition, low odor, so it's very good for the environment. Well, not exactly the best, but you get the point. So I'll just do some trick videos. So eventually I'll be doing some tricks like Cutlery Lover. First of all, I'm just gonna show you the pant strike. So pant strike, that's what the pant strike is, but I'll show you that in a more detailed video, just how to do it. So I'll probably be seeing you guys later. Peace out. Super Special Awesome 55 off YouTube.